Hello everyone, it's your girl Cassandra,Olivia, and today I'm going to do a silk press on some fine hair. Not thin hair, guys. Fine hair is just hair that is just smaller in density. Thin hair is hair that's like gone or like balding, not there. So she has a ton of hair, but when you press it out, it turns fine. So we're going to do a silk press with some body curls, and yeah, my girl's just going to let me freestyle. If you guys haven't already, subscribe, like, comment, do all of that, and we're going to get right into this video. So first things first, I'm blow drying her hair. This is pretty self-explanatory. I always use the same exact blow dry technique. Ain't nothing different. I don't ever switch it up. I stay true to my techniques. So I'm just going in with the Paul Mitchell paddle brush and my Speed Freak blow dryer by Rusk, and I'm going to go ahead and blow her bone straight. The part I didn't show in this video was me round brushing, but if you watch any of my other videos, I always round brush afterwards. So this is her blow dried and round brushed. So now I'm just going to spray a little bit of S3 spray on her hair, which is by Influence, to protect her hair from the heat and from the UV rays of the sun. And I'm going to go in with my Rusk CTC flat iron, and I'm going to go ahead and start pressing her hair out. I switched between the Rusk CTC and the Bioionic 10X. I did a review on both of those and kind of compared. I just honestly wanted to try something different, so that's why you're going to see me switching between both of the flat irons. Like here, I'm switching it out. I just wanted to see if it would work on her texture hair. It's a really good iron. It's about $230 and it does work, but I haven't tried it on all textures, so I figured why not, let's get this thing popping. So this part is self-explanatory. I'm just gonna press her out bone straight, and I'll come back when we're ready to do the curls. Wait, y'all, so I'm lying. So now that she's pressed out, I completely forgot that I trimmed her hair too, because homegirl needed a trim and she trusted me to trim her hair. I am not the type of hairstylist that trims people's hair straight across. I always follow how the hair naturally grows, so that way you can maximize your length and your growth, because not everybody's hair grows straight across. So that's why you're gonna kind of see me cutting it in like a V/U shape, and I'm just gonna go in and take out anything that's like dead on the inside, so that way it looks nice and healthy and shiny, as you can already see just from the flat iron. I'm wildin' today, y'all. My sister just had her baby this morning. I'm so freaking hyped. So if I'm acting a little different in this video, your girl is ecstatic. It's Monday, 9/9/19. My niece Lauren is finally here. So okay, back to the video. So now I'm going in with my Rusk CTC iron, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do some basic curls with the flat iron. I'm flipping some up, some down, some to the side, some back. That's kind of how I do my curls when I want to give body, just because the different patterns and different directions of the hair causes a little bit more volume in certain areas, so that way it doesn't look so uniform, and when you run your fingers through, everything doesn't get all stuck together. It's going to give you some body. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep throwing these curls in, and then we're going to zhuzh her out. Okay, and before y'all see this next part, when I was done the front, all I did was put rollers in the front. I wanted to try something different. I never do this. Disclaimer, I never do this shit. It's my first time trying it. And also I wanted to use it as my Instagram thumbnail, which I actually didn't even use because I was just like, nah, this wasn't the look. So I'm taking those out, and now I'm going to zhuzh her hair. So I like to use my hands, a wide tooth comb, anything that's wide. So like my fingers, a wide tooth comb, like even like a spaced out type of brush. But I mean I rarely use brushes, but you just don't want to use anything that's like a rat tail where all the teeth are close together. So I'm kind of just playing with their hair, seeing where it falls. Don't worry about messing the hair up. It's not going to mess up. These curls are in here for those people that are like, oh my god, she's running her fingers through. I do this to every single client. Gives them body, gives them style, gives them texture, it gives them attitude. I know what I'm doing. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of edge control on her hair right now, and then when we're done, she gonna flex for the gram. The only thing I will say that I did differently, I wasn't liking how that curl in the front was looking. She was a little too Easter Sunday-ish. So I went in and just did a C curl just in the very front. And now Naromi is playing her hair. And we be geeking all the time, yo. We are so weird. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This concludes the end of this video. And if you're feeling it, give your girls a thumbs up. And follow me on Instagram at _Cassandra,Olivia. And make sure to comment and like this video. I know I done said that already, but I'm going to say it again. Peace out, guys. Have a great Monday.